We're here for a completion ceremony. We've got 11 students that have completed the program. It's a fabulous opportunity between the Career Tech Center providing skills training, Michigan Works providing soft skills training, and adult education providing the adult ed portion of it for people trying to get their GED and high school diploma. This is the first cohort, so we're really excited for this to be going. This year we had automotive, we had culinary, and we had welding. Welding seemed to be very popular. We had a good portion of people in that section, but really good participation in the other two as well, and looking forward to possibly replicating these for next year. It's great to have these students have the opportunity to get extra skills, to get that better job. We're hearing from employers that those are things that are important for people when they come to get jobs. People can get jobs, but they want to stay and they want to move up on the career ladder, get those better jobs. So this is providing them those extra skills, that extra push of soft skills, and then also utilizing Michigan Works to help them get any support that they need to help in that path to get those better jobs.
My husband saw it in the paper and said, wouldn't that be a great way to expand what we know and learn some new skills and expand to the cafe and get some information from that. Everybody can learn something new, and never too old to learn something. So we all took classes on what our deficiencies, we felt our deficiencies were, and so we did that part of the learning lab. And my husband always counted on me to do the computer skills, so he worked on his computer skills. I was always weak in math, so I took some math classes and did that.
I think it's really great to realize all the efforts of all these programs working together. It's a lot of amount of work to really coordinate and make sure the participants gets the best out of everything. So that's really important. And of course the students, making sure that they benefit and reap the rewards of these special trainings.